Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how you should have applied our simple day trading method on yesterday's market to gain success in day trading. You can see this long dropped candlestick that was yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere around 7,188, which was just below our simple this moving average. You can see this was just below the moving average line, which indicates that the market can come down. Just after the price opening, I am going to increase the scale just to have a clear explanation. I am going to increase the scale. After the price opening, you can see the color of the candlestick was in red color, which still indicates that the price can come down. But we had made it very clear, if the price opens with a gap like what happened on the yesterday market, what you should do, you should wait for the price to touch this first white line. You should wait for the price to touch this first white line, then you can go for a trade entry. We don't bother about whether the price drops from that particular point, because we know that the stop loss will be higher. So you should be waiting for the price to touch this first white line. You can see slowly the white line, first white line is in the picture. So we should wait for the price to touch the first white line. No, still we didn't get any entry point. So we will be waiting, but in this particular case, you can see when the price is touching this first white line, it was in ash color. So we are not going to be into the trade. So the color, from after the few candlesticks, you can see the color changes to blue color, which indicates that the market can move up, but it was still below our green color moving average line, so we cannot take and buy entry. So we'll be waiting for a price to cross this green color moving average line to take an entry point. Still the color, all the color of the candlestick was in blue color, but here the market had provided us an entry point. Here you should have gone for a selling. Now let's see what happened after that. So this is your sell entry point, because the price gave a breakdown in this particular area. The price was staying below the moving average line, and your stop loss would be somewhere just 2 points or 3 points above this next. But you can see right away, after giving an entry point, the price went up and triggered the stop loss. So we got stopped out on the first entry. I am going to delete this, and we will be waiting for the second entry point. So after that, you can see everything is in ash color, which indicates that the price is thinking a lot, but here it provided a clear entry point. But in this particular case, we should have followed a 7-point rule. From this particular area, approximately I am placing it 7 point above this, and 7 point below this is going to be a stop loss. So in this particular area where you would have entered into that case, now you can see slowly the price then gave some 10 points profit, but after that the price came down and triggered the stop loss again. So for the second time also we got stopped out. So still the color of the candlestick is showing in ash color, which indicates that the price is not moving up or moving down. It's thinking a lot to give an entry point. And after a long time you got a signal here. Probably this should be your entry point, because you got a signal in this particular area, and the stop loss was quite higher. Now you can see the stop loss is in this range. Now slowly you should always have the habit of moving your stop loss. Now you can see slowly the stop loss is increasing, so you are decreasing your risk here. So then after providing us an entry point, you can see the market completely showed in ash color, because yesterday the market was completely thinking whether the price is moving up or down, but you can see just it came down and triggered the stop loss at 7124. So again we got stopped out. Yesterday was a tough day. Let's continue this till the end of the day. So after that, in the same zone where we got stopped out, the market provided an entry point. So this would be your entry area, above 7155. Now let us see, your stop loss is going to be somewhere in the same zone where we got stopped out. So after that you can see the price went up, so again it came down, and this had provided us a very good profit. So what, on seeing the entire price action, yesterday's price action, I am going to delete it. Let us sum up what happened. On 3 occasions we got stopped out, and in one area we got some profit, which means that even if you follow that continuously, Yesterday market, we should accept that yesterday was a tough day for people who had used our charting platform, but 3 times it had provided us above the moving average. It had clearly indicated us the price is going for a buying, but it didn't provided us any sell signal. So it helped us in identifying the buying, but the stop loss got triggered in 2 occasions. But finally, you can see the great advantage of using this is that it had provided us an opportunity to cover all our losses here. So it had provided some 50 points profit. It had provided us an opportunity to cover all our losses. By the end of the day, probably you will be in minor loss or at a zero loss and zero profit. So this is the wonder in using this, even in toughest situation like what happened on yesterday, because the price opened down, but finally the market closed higher. It gave us a clear indication that the price is moving up. So this is a great advantage when there is a tough time. So at least you will be in minimum loss, or you will not be in any loss, or zero loss and zero profit. So when the time is good, like what happened in the last week, every day we ended up in profit. So let us see what's going to happen during the today's trading session. If you are just a visitor, or just a client, or just a trader who is watching our charting platform in YouTube, Facebook, or some other things, please kindly open a trading account with us, so that you can make use of the full training sessions also. So thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.